Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Paul Sherry in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2019 Ram Tradesman quad cab, stock number 28492T. This one is black in color. Nice chrome trim here in the front, as well as in the grille and the Ram. Chrome bumper. Silver aluminum wheels. These are 18-inch wheels. Nicely new badging. Got the 5.7 Hemi in there. Four-wheel drive. Power mirrors, windows, locks. Manual seats that are premium cloth. They look like they'd hold up to about anything in this work truck. Look in the center console here. Plenty of storage room. A couple cup holders. You got your climate control, radio. That's where you see the backup camera as well. The turn dial, shifting, cruise control, hands-free options, gauge cluster options for in the dash, tilt wheel. Take a look in the back seat here. Just have the folding rear seat. Sliding rear window. It is a power sliding rear window, I should say. Little cubby down in here. Take a look in the bed there. It is set up to tow. Got a chrome bumper and the hitch. 4-pin, 2, 4, 6, 8-pin. Backup camera. Oh, shoot. It's a really nice truck to be a work truck. Again, this is a 2019 Ram 1500 Tradesman quad cab 4x4, stock number 28492T. I'm Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website, sherrychrysler.com.